Hi friends, I am Tia and today I welcome you all to my science experiment fun class. Do you know it is possible to keep a paper in water without getting it wet? It seems impossible, isn't it? Well, it is possible with little science fun. Then, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I am going to show you an experiment, air occupies space. For this experiment, you need one bowl filled with water, one empty glass and a piece of plain paper. Let's start the experiment. I'm very excited. This empty glass is filled with air. To prove this, I will do a short experiment. Crumble this paper and put it into this glass. Now I am putting the glass upside down in a bowl filled with water. You can see the paper is still at the bottom of the glass. Also, there is no water inside the glass. Pull the glass straight out of the water and see if the paper is wet or not. Let's see. See? It is not wet at all. The paper is dry. Do you know why this happened? I will tell you why. When I put the glass upside down in the water, the air is trapped inside the glass. Air is less dense than water, so it can stay on top of the water. The paper will not get wet as long as the air stays in the glass. Cool, isn't it? Now you know that air occupies space. Thank you. Bye-bye.